So you see how you see all this? Look, let me see this. This is a rotten tree trunk that I leave. I take okay. You see, guys, when you add this kind of stuff to your garden, you know what I'm saying? This is natural product you add in. Okay, guys, so this is the compost. I just want to show you guys how I think you guys should really do your container garden. How to do your container. No. This is a compost. This is rotten tree trunk. You see where I get it. You see how I get it. All this is rotten tree trunk. You see? Sometimes when you buy the stuff, you see these and they feel tough. But these already start breaking. You see? Already start breaking down. So this is not dirt. This is not dirt. This is compost. Okay? So now I'm going to put this right there. And I'm gonna leave it. Now I'm gonna get some dirt. Okay. So now I'm gonna break this up, break the dirt up. Okay, so now you have compost and you have dirt. Instead of you just using the dirt, you have compost with the dirt. So now we're gonna mix both of them together. Even though you buy the compost from the store, that's fine. But you should always add some dirt to it. And mix it up. Now, don't know if you know, this is some rich soil. The soil already has minerals and then a nutrient for the plant. And then now, guess what? We add more natural product. So now, this is some serious soil we have here. Okay, so now what you do? Say this is your container. And you're ready to plant. You never full your container right to the top if you go in and plant. You leave it at least half the way down. So now you open up the hole like this and you plant inside of there. You know what, let me get a tree, whatever. I'm gonna just plant anything. Okay, so now you plant inside this hole. Okay, and you leave it right there. Well, you know you got to wet it, right? You got to wet it. So now, while the plant growing, you keep adding soil. While a plant growing, you keep adding soil. So you're gonna add soil until it reach up to almost the top, and you just leave it. And that plant with that kind of rich soil, oh yes, it's gonna do wonders.